Halloween models, checking to make sure they are working for the next shipping. Yep, Halloween is coming. I am in the middle of a custom model. This all in a green. I do like how these stripes come out. Very cool. Then we just transfer with masking tape. Ready for transfer. Here we go. And we got these stripes. Cool. This all is looking good. If you're wondering what I'm doing here is I'm cutting the stripes for the back of this sole. It should look like this. Now I made a mistake. On this model. I should cover the back with masking tape so it will be black as in the front, but I guess I'm gonna fix it with yellow and black. Then we just apply the new vinyl on the back of the sole. That vinyl is looking good. Once we put the vinyl in place, we are going to cut around the windows. Since I made a mistake, I'm gonna put black stripes on the back of the diesel to make it look like in the front. So far black stripes are looking okay. Stripes are done, and then we need to, you know what, I'm going to use an oil-based marker and not vinyl this time. The other day I put a vinyl on it. I'm gonna take my time to make it look good. When I apply a coat of oil-based marker, I always let it dry and then I come back again for another coat until we get the bright white results. Obviously, as you can see, it needs more paint, like that. See the difference? Finisher needs more coat. Timothy the Ghost engine and goes to Kailin, Texas. So here is the Timothy the Ghost engine custom model. Now this model, you need to access it, pull these little wheels down and push the sides and squeeze and pull like that. Put the battery in, and the same way you need to press, pull the wheels down, squeeze, release, good to go. And there is a Timothy the Ghost engine custom model. For the next model we have a custom Blue Henry, and this one goes to Royal Oak, Michigan. This model requires one C battery that goes in the back of the car on the tender, and it is working. So it's a pretty nice custom model. Let's show up a little closer. There it is. Kind of strong engine. One of a kind custom models, Timothy the Ghost engine remote control models, Trackmasters. Very cool model, guys. So let's do a test. Goes to University Park, Illinois. It requires 3 AAA batteries on the remote and 3 AAA batteries on the tender's model. Very unique model. Nazareth, Pennsylvania, and it's a, what an irony. It's Nazareth, and we are talking about something evil. Anyways, so it's a Halloween custom model engine that goes to Pennsylvania, Nazareth, Pennsylvania, and it's working great. Trying to get that color, and I think this is pretty close. Yeah, kind of close. I need that for the face. What do you think? Yeah, I know. Soon. But I don't like that face is sticking out so much. This definitely is gonna be better. Okay, I think we are almost done. We need to put the numbers. Close. That is great. Also, we are done with this, ready for paint. Now I just gotta make sure it's squeeze it really tight too against the model. Then remove the masking tape. Oops, coming up. Yep, stay in place, stay right there. Cool. Then the other side. That's looking amazing. Okay, we are done. And I fixed the mistake applying some vinyl, oil marker, oil paint, vinyl on the sides, and this all is looking awesome.